Hey everyone, if you're getting a black screen issue in BlueStacks, don't worry. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you the best ways to fix black screen problems, loading issues, and display glitches step by step. First, completely close BlueStacks and restart your computer. Yeah, temporary glitches or stuck background processes can sometimes cause a black screen. One of the most common causes is outdated graphics drivers, so update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers to the latest version. Next, open BlueStacks settings and go to the graphics section. Try switching between OpenGL and DirectX mode to see which one works better on your PC. If the black screen still appears, try changing the interface renderer option. Switching between software and hardware rendering can sometimes fix display problems instantly. So, temporarily disable unnecessary background apps and try launching the emulator again. If nothing works, try clearing BlueStacks cache files or reinstalling the emulator completely. Yeah, corrupted installation files can sometimes cause permanent black screen issues. And that's basically how to fix BlueStacks black screen problems in 2026. After applying these fixes, your emulator should display normally and run much smoother on PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.